Imagine you're ready to make a purchase online, but your preferred payment method, Paysafe, is suddenly blocked. What do you do? Why is this happening? Let's dive into the reasons behind Paysafe's potential block and explore some alternative payment options. Section 1. Understanding Paysafe. Before we delve into why Paysafe might be blocked, let's quickly understand what it is. Paysafe is a popular online payment processor that offers a range of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and payment gateways. It's often used for online gambling, gaming, and other digital transactions. Section 2. Common reasons for Paysafe blocks. There are several common reasons why Paysafe might be blocked in your region or for your specific account. Let's explore some of them. Geo-restrictions. Paysafe may be restricted in certain countries due to local regulations or licensing requirements. If you're located in a region where Paysafe is not authorized to operate, your account may be blocked. Account security. Paysafe takes account security very seriously. If the payment processor detects suspicious activity, such as unauthorized transactions or fraudulent behavior, your account may be temporarily or permanently blocked as a precautionary measure. Payment provider policies. Sometimes, Paysafe's payment providers, like banks or card networks, may impose restrictions on certain transactions or merchants. This can lead to Paysafe blocks for specific users or industries. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause temporary disruptions to Paysafe services, leading to account blocks. Section 3. What to do when Paysafe is blocked. If you find that Paysafe is blocked, don't panic. Here are some steps you can take. Check for temporary issues. First, verify if there are any known technical issues or system maintenance affecting Paysafe. You can check their official website or social media channels for updates. Contact Paysafe support. If the block seems permanent, reach out to Paysafe's customer support. They can provide specific information about the reason for the block and any potential solutions. Review account activity. If your account was blocked due to security concerns, carefully review your recent transactions and look for any suspicious activity. If you find anything unusual, report it to Paysafe immediately. Explore alternative payment methods. While Paysafe is a convenient option, there are plenty of other reliable payment methods available. Consider using credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill, or prepaid cards from other providers. Section 4. Popular Paysafe alternatives. Here are some popular alternatives to Paysafe that you can explore. PayPal, a widely recognized e-wallet that offers secure online payments. Skrill, another popular e-wallet with a focus on online gambling and gaming transactions. Neteller, a global e-wallet that provides fast and secure payment solutions. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies can be used for online transactions, although they may have volatility and regulatory considerations. Traditional payment methods. Credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards from banks or other financial institutions are always reliable options. So, there you have it. Paysafe blocks can occur for various reasons, including geo-restrictions, security concerns, payment provider policies, or technical issues. If you find yourself in this situation, don't hesitate to contact Paysafe support or explore alternative payment methods. With a little investigation and patience, you can likely find a suitable solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.